Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Play Store, not Chrome, because Play Protect lives in the Play Store settings. Once you tap your profile icon at the top right, you'll see a list of account options. Tap Play Protect to open its dashboard. You're doing this to reach the setting that scans apps. Make sure your device is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi so the Play Store can load updated security settings before you proceed. Now you'll disable the scan. Tap the small gear icon in the Play Protect screen to open scanning preferences. You should see the Scan Apps with Play Protect toggle. Flip it off. You'll get a clear warning about reduced security. Read it. Confirm that you understand the risk and accept the prompt to deactivate scanning. Once done, Play Protect will stop automatically scanning apps, which can allow installations that would otherwise be blocked. Finish by restarting your device so the Play Store settings fully apply. After reboot, open Play Protect again to verify the toggle stayed off. Make sure you only disable this temporarily and for specific reasons. Leaving it off raises security risk. If you encounter installation errors or unexpected app behavior, re-enable scanning, update the Play Store app, and try again. If settings revert, check device admin policies or parental controls that might prevent changing Play Protect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.